The best color in the whole world is the one that looks good on you. Adornment, what a science. Beauty, what a weapon. Modesty, what elegance. Fashion changes, but style endures. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. My life didn't please me, so I created my life. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. Simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. A woman can be overdressed, but never over-elegant. You can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. Don't spend time beating on a wall, hoping to transform it into a door. I only drink champagne on two occasions, when I am in love and when I am not. Elegance does not consist in putting on a new dress. I don't care what you think of me. I don't think of you at all. I don't do fashion. I am fashion. A woman who doesn't wear perfume has no future. As long as you know men are like children, you know everything. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. If you're sad, add more lipstick and attack. Elegance is when the inside is as beautiful as the outside. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. You live but once, you might as well be amusing. Dress shabbily, and they remember the dress. Dress impeccably, and they remember the woman. Fashion has two purposes, comfort and love. Beauty comes when fashion succeeds. The most courageous act is still to think for yourself, aloud. Elegance is refusal.